prova del dating.
Quella appunto di seduzione a downtown di sera dove avevamo dato appuntamento a due nostri amici.
Un ragazzo e un ragazzo italiani e avrebbero dovuto quindi cercare un approccio.
Two friends of us waiting for us in a park here. They don't know that you are going there. So we're going to try to see if what we learn is good actually in the reality.
Leo, you have a sentences with a rose.
So we have a rose.
This is for you. Non c'è rosa senza spine.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah.
Yes.
I nostri amici non sapevano che sarebbero arrivati invece i ragazzi e sono stati molto sorpresi.
And I know we had to use some of the Italian that we were taught in the second challenge.
We were supposed to be hitting on and picking up like a sexy Italian that we would want to hang out with.
We tried to go on a date, but they didn't really give us too much information beforehand. I'm talking to first.
Ciao bello, sei molto carino.
Oh, grazie, cioè, pure tu.
Ciao bellissimo. Oh, sei molto simpatico.
Oh, grazie, pure tu. Ma parlate italiano?
Learning, we're learning.
Oh, you're learning.
Yeah.
Oh, friends? American.
Yes.
And I kind of was under the influence that I would go out by myself with this Italian guy.
The American. Ecco, top.
Now this I thought I was going to do really well with, you know, say what's up to somebody.
Cosa fai? What do you guys do?
We both play in band. Play guitar. Yeah.
Oh, I'm a guitarist too.
Oh, see, we knew it. We knew. Yeah.
But beautiful.
But no, like Susie and I had to go together, which was kind of messed up.
Oh my God, I gotta show you my guitars. Oh,
Okay, yeah.
So you see the harmony right there, the balcony?
Yeah.
Ah, that's where I live. I live in my
you live there?
apartment.
It's
Yeah.
beautiful. That's
See?
nice building. Got a view of it.
Nice.
Because it's kind of like my forte, you know, to be suave and smooth and to like.
That day was a little interesting, like not really the way I would approach a dude normally.
You like Italian wine?
Not for me.
We'll make appetizer, whatever, anything.
Sure, yeah, I'll have a glass of wine.
Maybe we can
Of
go.
course.
Of course. Andiamo.
Con Dario è stato necessario fare niente praticamente per rimorchiarlo perché si è autorimorchiato.
We just go together. We can.
All of us?
Andiamo.
Well, just one of us though.
The Italian that we came across, I was not prepared for.
Susie and I had to fight over this Italian guy's attention.
And he was a little too much to handle.
Ma come è giusto che sia, è un ragazzo italiano, anche lui ha un'etichetta da rispettare.
You got to choose. I'm sorry. Yeah, we don't go together. Yeah, that'd be weird. I'm down to go to your apartment, but not together.
No, but we can go anyway. We will have some fun in the sea. Let's go.
They are strong with their come-ons, and which I wasn't expecting, but you know, that might be a real life challenge. Not that I'm not up for it.
No. Well, one or the other. Yeah.
Sì, ma you guys are beautiful too, perfette, tutte e due, no? Sì. Andiamo.
No.
We gotta try, you have to try.
No. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh. Been an asshole. No. Creep. So pissed. Why do they all have to be so sleazy? You can't find a nice sleazy Italians. They're just.
But I wasn't prepared for him to want to take both Jen and I back to his place. That's not what we agreed upon. So
Yeah, he was kind of a creep. I don't know that we really won him over with our Italian. Either way, that guy was a loser, so.
Loro si aspettavano di incontrare noi e invece appunto abbiamo organizzato questa situazione in cui loro finché ci aspettavano arrivavano i concorrenti a cercare di rimorchiarli.
Sono state appunto delle scene simpatiche, come è stato da morire da ridere anche vederli poi da dietro le quinte.
We finally got to do something interactive.
They called a friend of theirs to meet up and didn't tell them that I was going to go hit on her.
I got to pick up a girl. For me, they got me a rose. I got ready because my line had a rose in it.
Ciao dolcissima, bevi quella cosa?
Ciao.
Dave is a slick guy. I mean, you can see him smashing stuff, but he's a really slick. He knows how to talk.
Sei italiano?
Yeah.
No, io non Italian.
They taught me some very nice things to say in Italian.
We had to kind of fight for the girl's affection and see who actually brought home the goal.
How do you know I'm Italian? Sorry.
Because the prettiest girls in the world are Italian.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
He's so cheesy, isn't he? Move over. Ciao amore, questa rosa è per te.
But then I got Leo with a rose.
Thank you.
Seriously?
Well, he was cute. Come on.
sweet is better than cheesy.
Whatever.
So I gave her my rose, I said my line, and I think that really impressed her. So, would you like to grab some coffee with me?
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
No. You like motorcycles?
No, I hate them.
She didn't react the way that I was hoping. In fact, I can't even believe that she went with him. Like, I don't even understand how that happened. I'm actually getting mad just thinking about it right now.
Dave was really unhappy about it. He started pushing even harder. It was kind of like two bulls charging each other.
Or you could come over to my place. I live right around the corner.
You just met her, come on.
I know, and I have a guitar there. You know, sweet talking her into like getting coffee. Like, who wants to do that?
I think Dave's forwardness kind of surprised her, but kind of pushed her back a bit because I think she was a bit afraid. She already said yes to me, man. Come on, what are you doing?
Really, the rose? Really? Seriously? That's...
Yeah.
Come on, she said no, man.
Well, I think I'll go for...
Are you serious?
I mean, that's cool. I think it's kind. I mean, like... Come on, why is he disappointed?
Don't mind him.
What's wrong with him?
He's always like
Your
that.
friend?
Yeah. Shall we?
Oh, yeah. Okay. How do you know that? No, really, like, how do you know that? Oh, you have a great Italian teacher then.
I had 3.
You have 3?
Non so, mi sembra che tutti quanti siano stati spontanei e abbiano preso la cosa insomma per com'era, un gioco. Quindi.
Diciamo che Dave è stato proprio un disastro totale.
Quello che se l'è giocata meglio è stato Leo, ma lui è così di indole un po' romantica, è stata la mossa giusta dare la rosa a lui.
E Susie e Jack sono state brave a rifiutare.
Non c'è stato arrivismo o cose così e credo che sia una delle prove più simpatiche dello show.
No, I have to find the right reactor, the right thing. But you have
Quando che ti ho visto sul fare 8 del maschio, ho capito che mi piaci molto. Mi piaci molto. Yeah! Ilaria, hai visto che sorpresa che ti abbiamo fatto? Ho trovato anche il moroso, hai trovato.
Ah, ma lei non lo scende.
My Italian teacher.
Hai visto? Ho fatto una sorpresa, hai capito perché è così bravo? Grandissimo! Io, number one.
Thank you.
You won the challenge. The challenge. Yeah. The challenge. Vieni con noi che ti spieghiamo.
You don't need to know.
Vieni con noi che ti spieghiamo la storia, no? Ti spieghiamo la dolcissima Beautiful Rose.
Oh, raga, now I got it.
She was surprised because she didn't expect like Italian.
I don't know what went wrong there. I really don't. I think maybe if I had had a rose in my hand.
Then I think I'm a bit more timid, but compared to Dave, this guy can talk his way through anything.
Maybe she wasn't feeling well that day.
Oh no, man, I've got a guitar, I've got a motorcycle, man.
It was dark, maybe she couldn't see this very well. That's all I can think of, really. I don't know.
He was a bit too aggressive. I stepped in, I tried my line, I gave her the rose. I think that's what kind of won her over for me.
I still thought I did an okay job. I mean, I know I'm a charismatic guy, and that was the problem with that. She was probably sick.
When he wanted to go up with the both of us, I was a little bit shocked. It's something that's kind of commonplace and that we're going to be running into in Italy, so I need to get prepared for that.
Not really sure how much that challenge did anyone any good, but it was interesting.
Fine, sempre da Mario, a mangiare i taglierini.
Sono buoni, sono buonissimi, buonissimi. Grazie mille, guarda che bene.
Oggi
Incredibile.
pieno di sorprese.
Seduzione.
Lui
È stato difficile.
Dario, dato via con tutte e due, capito?
Grandissimo.
Voleva.
Ci abbiamo fatto una sorpresona,
Numero 1.
Non pensava neanche lui.
Però è stato il numero 1.
È stato il numero 1. Però anche le ragazze sono state brave, sinceramente.
Leo è stato però la sorpresa.
Leo numero 1. Lui ha vinto tutto Dave.
Ma io avrei puntato tutto su Diego. Era un po' arrogante.
La dolcezza vince sempre su tutto. E
Grandissimo.
Wiwa, cin cin.
La morale della storia.
Bellissimo.